Ahwefo nyina akwaba edeba Attention TV so. Mama nim say Attention TV there. Insama ejetene ne ewe man Ghana ne aman foforo so. Ni nyina ne aboabo ano ne asone so kroje ti so sunsuo. Ne ada baba dan yahwefo. Ne abusuafo enda no nsem be ejetene ne ewe social media so. Na asembisa ne say wa subscribe to our YouTube channel na. Un subscribe ya bo humodi anso be subscribe to our YouTube channel no. Attention TV our YouTube onti bo mo dey subscribe we are like share comment the channel no ho adanse e feature afoforo oh yes na Ewrade ehia na face no bo mo dey answer Facebook so be call on mo okọ on like your page no Attention Tvgh like your page no comment share esanso eka ho oh yes no nyanyami ehia asembisa ni biom no so ne se ebusuafo se me yo kristoni se me ya sofo animitie wiase nnuma eya na se enye we ena ya asembisa bi a yede to Doctors of Glory for enim na yede to manim na chese ye maamefo yi ka so debi da enye bone so betie wiase enyom esan se wiase nyum beti se amachi dede kodwentwi ni ade no sa nyum bi se no mokro mutie enti se utie a enye bone ede ma ode biara da na nam so ama chese anu ye ya ye maame mu eji ye ama yanka se papa prophet Oduro so ababonte ababeka se hey mu na mo ye nya twuma Kristofo no mu na mutumi ma Kristofo visa sa muntumi fentu kwan enko wiase enkonko ji omani abre ne abra no nyina no monsanso bra nya mesum mu no mo anya ade kra oni osi somo ade free soro be omo de no obeka na adwe de kire mo na nam so ma yanka sa ye papa Prophet Nigel Gaisie so de na na beto sansem yi mu bi ama ono so kire na adwe de afa sansem yi ho a osi Prophet Oduro somo a wo so de be ye wo de a wo so ye nya twom sofo papa esanse wo nya nya twom sofo a na kade biara da no wo ke mu nka wo otumi bo someha na so bi do tie bia wo sintimo ntie ende somo de be ye wo de a
Kristo sumu na ye frɛ enwom bi secular music na edi enyoma ana di enyom ku ne fronsa.
So to answer your question, I think secular music there it basically means the regular person who says enyoma enye Kristo nyom ana say ombeka say we are senyom into bisami. I think I don't know if I've been able to attempt.
Na say enyoma enye Kristo nyom
enye Kristo nyom
ento emfa Kristo sem
ho but the basic purpose of with gospel music and as a Kristo nyoma enyoma ma Kristo njuma so express Kristo and express Kristo njuma ni Kristo tumi and the kase nyoma enye Kristo nyoma and a gospel music it simply means enyoma the fundamental purpose when you say a project to Jesus and as express what the manifestational powers of Jesus ayo. I don't know. Yes.
Na whatever me pacho me ye Kristo ni me wa sorry ba me tie secular music my bone
onye bone da
aden
depends onye you see me ka say ye man we mu na ye man we mu Ghana man we na most of us me sreka say we are hypocrites ye nyatwom temperature ye nyatwom but again we ask what is music fundamental what is music a language music idea communicate expressions temperature communicate the thought and intent of only akona when you say inspiration say ebia midna puppets na so na ebia me pese me kasa ba house of folk midna puppets na so eka obi so anya gift and as a talent what cause studio na inspiration no or their set kasemu a communication temperature
correct
so obi to say amachi de me tie no nyo
uti amachi de nyo
yes me tie ama is it Christo ni bang from the pope to the lowest person and obeka say we are senyom onti that what they call we are senyom. I will tell you for a fact that some we are senyom a weightier, a more revolutionary, a more deeper change. Some of the enyom no almost say a Christo nyom no. Some by church because what is the intent and purpose of enyom? Enyom is to educate. Enyom is to empower. Enyom is to heal, to deliver. Sempa choti ase. It is me tie a match the day enyum. Sem ye prophet Nigel Gaisie am tie a match the day enyum. Ye na it iron boy it empowers any young man and obi a person Bob Brebia. It empowers me tie empowers. O kan Bible la. 1 Samuel chapter 16 verse 23. Bible says na Saul na hum bi ehano. Bible says na David e boy no wie no. Bible says hum no efi no. So music come to deliver. We are it brings deliverance.
Hey.
Yes, it brings deliverance. Obiti said, I'm a religious leader, but you see the hypocrisy among us, the edoso. Utie daddy lumba, all songs nibia. Nyansa wom, abe wom. I mean, if you're a young man, person Bob Bright, if you're a young lady, and as a member, I'm a baby person Bob Bright, so I'm missing the maximum person back on track. What you that the lumba? Tete no money, and you maybe Bobby or me come. That does not mean say well lose salvation. That has not mean Bob Marley redemption. Obibia or Bajumba, Obibia person Bob, Obibia or what bills to pay when you are down and you listen to redemption. It reignites you. That does not mean well to salvation. And to check the content, language, content na musician use ebi asamini use ebi a Reggie Roston use yen check content na say content no ye content is it in a positive way I tell you my master my catcher me singing department say enye Christos what they say Christosum enumi bia na ye bobi some of the gospel artists what they communicate negativity.
Sir?
They communicate negativity. They communicate uchi omunyum we are mobro iti biti. It doesn't empower. But uchi your friend say kojentry tetenyom ni bia. Avavanto sabati ase. Na se ebia obi married man ni me abusko na metie no nwe America. And you be, I don't know, say, America. Yes, I mean, the West in it, West, I mean, it empowers. And that has not mean, say, no, bon, someone, kwamna, ni biwa, deep, deep thinker, deep, it will inspire you. It will inspire you. It's the hypocrisy, and so for no, they should stop, some of the brothers should stop the pretense. Omo bedroom, omo car, and we should not condemn a DFS. A talent, so we are doing media and commerce, me who are there, ubi or tonium, and see, check the content, no. Because, like I mentioned earlier, some of the gospel artists, their language, the content of omonium, no. Sorry to say, some are even out of scripture. Some are even out of scripture. And it's a Mitiasi Saturday. From here to Domi to Amasam, I may say me down. Nami tie lumba sikasama. What yes it's it will inspire you. The mamia Amasa and Yeniba. Say. So let's not lose the fundamental purpose of the song.
But so for union more asofuni bin so say okay Ephesians 5:18.
What's your redemption song? You can't tell me say redemption song. What's your Bob Marley not cause life is not a bed of roses. Na bajum baby tia. It's in the Bible. Life is not a bed of roses. Somebody maybe that's a brand that's a bread jam. Or Kenyan Sasam, his own song, they make sense. They make sense. Gospel artists need to bring 8 here with the greatest of song. Omunjai, I don't know, say, we those times, no, oche gospel and no man. It empowers, it brings deliverance. Nyamitumi ete. But I tell you, say, some of the what they call quote and unquote welly song, no. It's more deep. But even all my women because on lumba all songs that.
But you were others Susua and also a church and normal a Nick Chrysostom a boybra.
Very well. Or not the support. Someone said that we should not be equally yoked with unbelievers. So that's what I'm saying. It's about the content, what the person is expressing, what the person is communicating. I will not listen to any song and I will not suggest or move to anybody say a name that is communicating violence. A name that is communicating a beer, worry now, or a single person, communicating about sexual perversity. That be, but we are saying, a deep, a very, very deep. Obibi or Bobra, your papa, will jebule, ambule. Utie ne nyom ni bi ha. Adult song. Nti say me suffer, me Christian na ma worry, na me ne me take you ride and I say all them near box and nyom na. It fuels and it brings a bite to the marriage. Some people are open American say. And yet time I don't know if I'm communicating.
You are communicating.
And into me about
yes, sir.
With a me say area in quality. And so I say, oh, daddy, and no one you see the pretense and the hypocrisy among us. Let's get real. Let's get real. Let's get real.
Ne kura no so no bia asofo ni bia na kristofo ni bi ka no
sansem ye kokotie ye yankase ye humese ye papa ye prophet Nigel Gaisie ne ni abre ye papa odisende e wo yankase ye papa ye prophet Oduro so na nam so magana fododo na de omadwe nkyere e de aba e ka se Prophet Oduro yesra wadanka ye dianka yenim se ye maya ye wo mu ipa de akasofo ni nyina wo na weni da ho san se wo de wo ka no kre no but won sem ya wo kan pa de mfa kwam enti ebe ya atwewa no esan ebi so ka se e ya de Nigel Gaisie wo so won sem a wo kan de asa asofofo mienu amonya beef na asofofo mienu amonya beef and Satan ne ba patamo na se ye members ne ba patamo obi enu obepata ne nyonko ntebe ya mo ankasa mo fa nsam no entoto ne kwan so pepepe na de mo mpata mo ho because ye ntume emba beka mo beef ho nsensam yi mu biara da na ebusuafo na me ka wo se bo ho mode ase obe subscribe to our YouTube channel Attention TV o subscribe wi a like share comment e wo ye videos no so e wo Facebook Attention TV GH e na afa so no share mo abonte a atobo na bo mesambra ne na ansa na obebo mesambra no so to me say what I say na wohu nam ne kwan so anesa na aseda PS enkoma me cameraman me editor me director me manager eni obi biara obon ho modern say obeboa me no push me ama me be duru be bia medui me da mo say